Ogni Media Vision.
Hello viewers, I'm Kumar Chamuk. Welcome to Three Phase Academy. So today we are going to start a new lecture on Kirchhoff's Current Law. In short, we can say it KCL. So what is KCL? So the total current entering into a junction is exactly equal to the total current leaving the same junction at the same time. That means what? We can also say that the algebraic summation of the total current in a junction point or in a node is equal to 0. Now let us consider the junction. This is a point O. These are the branches. This is A, B, C, D, and E. Now, current flowing through this branch is I1, current flowing through this junction of the branch is I2, this is I3, I4, and I5. So we can see that these are the incoming currents and these are the outgoing currents. Now let us see the equation of this junction. Here I1 and I2 are incoming and I5, I4, I3 are outgoing. So we are writing the outgoing first. We are taking the outgoing as positive and the incoming are negative. Since we have told earlier that the algebraic summation of total current flowing through the junction or a node is 0, so that is equal to 0. We considered the incoming currents are negative and the outgoing currents are positive because these directions are inverse. So these are the positive and these are the negatives. We can also prove it by the laws of vector. So how we can prove it? The direction of current is inverse of the outgoing and the incoming. We consider AB as the vector where AB equals to minus BA from the vector law, but AB not equals to BA. So we consider the incoming currents are AB and the outgoing currents are BA. So if the incoming currents are negative, so the outgoing currents will be positive. So the question arises, why we use KCL? So we will figure it out from the mathematical problem. Now let us consider the junction. Here the incoming current is 5 ampere and the outgoing currents are 3 ampere and 1 ampere. But we do not know is this current is outgoing or incoming. But we can consider this as outgoing current. So from the equation of Kirchhoff's law, we know I1, I2 plus I3 plus I4 minus I1 equals to 0. we considered these outgoing current as positive and incoming currents are negative. So now putting the value, we get so the value of I4 is 1 ampere. We have considered the I4 as outgoing current. So we can see that our expectation was true. If the value of I4 is negative, so we have to consider that the direction of I4 is incoming. So viewers, that's it for today. We will discuss KVL, that means Kirchhoff's voltage law, in the next episode. Hit the like button if you really do like our videos, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.